kindred spirits, different uniforms, one sweet ride.
You ready? Let her rip. Look at its spokes, Honeycutt. Mill Valley's finest surviving motorcycle rider.
Rebels with a cause.
All you motorcycle nuts are nuts.
It's BJ and Barney on MASH, followed by the Andy Griffith Show. Tonight, starting at 6:30, 5:30 Central on MeTV. Born to be wild.
I know nothing.
We know something. Hogan's Heroes is back on the weeknight schedule at 6/5 Central, followed by 3 episodes of MASH. From Station 51 to Starlog 13 to the 4077, we've got your number. Hogan's Heroes is coming up next, followed by 3 episodes of MASH, right here on MeTV.
Everybody loves
Ray.
Radar.
Radar O'Reilly.
That little weenie with the clipboard?
Oh, that's me.
He's sophisticated,
Speaking of Tolstoy,
dependable,
Your loyalty to this unit is truly commendable.
and
a hot lover. Him?
Cute, harmless little Irish guy?
That's Frank's way of saying congratulations.
MASH and Everybody Loves Raymond. Tonight
You're not gonna kiss me, are you?
on MeTV.
I'm here to volunteer my men in the emergency.
Another squad fights fire with fire on Hogan's Heroes, coming up next, followed by 3.